Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a G35 sedan, same thing as a G37, and I'm going to be teaching you how to remove your center console armrest. So, let's get to it. It's very simple. Alright, so first things first, few tools that you're going to need is a Phillips head, a pick, and a flathead. So you're going to open your armrest like that, and you're going to see a little plate in here, and just go under it like that. Pop it up, and that will expose these screws right here. I like to use a Phillips head screwdriver on this one and not a drill, because sometimes these are way tighter than normal, or they should be, and you'll end up stripping them. So for this stuff I just use a normal Phillips head. Same thing with the center console. And then once you get the screws out, kind of just rock it forward and it'll slide in front of the air vent right there. And there you go. Your armrest is removed on your G35, G37.